Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to talk about evaluating limits. I'm going to evaluate each limit here. So, if I was given this limit as x approaches 3/2 of negative x minus 3 over x squared plus x plus 1. Okay? Well, since we have a quotient function, we can plug in directly 3/2 in for x, provided this the function exists there. So really, we can't divide by 0. Okay. So let's keep note, make sure that denominator does not equal 0, but we can plug in directly 3/2. So we have a negative 3/2 up top minus 3 over 3/2 squared plus 3/2 plus 1. Okay. Well, let's go simplify this. Okay. Well, this 3 I can really write as 6/2, right? So let's kind of simplify it. I'll make a little like terms here. So we have 3/2 minus 6/2, right? So now we write 3, but with the same base now, over that 3/2 squared. 3/2 squared, we square the top and the bottom, numerator and denominator. And that's a 9/4, right? 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4. Well, let's rewrite 3/2 to have 4 as the same base there. So that's going to be 3/2 multiplied both by 2, we have a 6/4 here. And then 1 is really 4 over 4. Okay? So let's go simplify this a little bit more over here. Negative 3/2 minus 6/2, we'll deal with the numerator first. Okay? Negative 3/2 minus 6/2 is a negative, okay? A negative 9/2. Okay, we have a negative 9/2. And the denominator, we add across the top. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 4 is 19. So we have a positive 19/4. Now, if you're like me, I always get thrown off when I have a fraction divided by a fraction. So I'm going to rewrite it like this. Negative 9/2 divided by 19/4. Well, that's the same thing as writing negative 9/2 times 4 over 19. Right? We can flip that 19/4. At this point, pretty simple to see. 2 to the 4, simplify, we have 2 up there, and negative 9 now times 2 is negative 18. So we have a negative 18 over 19 as our final answer. So let's recap. We're given a limit as x approaches 3/2 of this fraction, this quotient, negative x minus 3 over x squared plus x plus 1. We're going to plug 3/2 into x, okay, for each one, and we can do that provided the domain, it's in our domain, really the denominator can equal 0, okay, which it doesn't. So we plug it directly in, negative 3/2 in for x, right there, down here, and right there, okay. Simplifying the numerator, we have the same base, we combine them together and get a negative 9/2. The denominator, 3/2 squared, became 9/4, so we put everything with this fraction the same with the same base of 4. We add them all together and get 19/4 in the denominator. Well, negative 9/2 divided by 19/4 can be shown like this, and this is the way I like to see it. It helps me out. That's the same thing as multiplying, and I flip 19/4 before the 19. A little easier to cross out. 2 and the 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times negative 9 is negative 18. So, again, our final answer here is negative 18